Hey, so if you want to write clean and professional documents easily, yeah, Canva Docs is a great tool to use. It combines writing and design in one place, making your documents look modern and polished. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. First, open Canva and click on Create a Doc to start a new document. Then start adding your content by typing or pasting your text into the page. Use formatting options like headings, bold text, and bullet points, yeah, to organize your content clearly. You can also use Canva's AI feature called Magic Write to generate content or improve your writing to make your document more engaging. Add images, icons, or graphics directly inside your doc. If you want to save time, you can choose from ready-made templates. Yeah, which give your document a professional layout. Make sure to organize your layout with proper spacing and sections. Uh, so your document is easy to read. Finally, download your document or share it with others depending on your needs. So yeah, that's how to use Canva Docs for writing documents. It makes writing faster, easier, and more visually appealing. Hey, so